Peter Van, na well. Peter Van, na Colin Peter Van, na well. Peter Van, na Colin up ahead we'll see. Up ahead we'll understand why our cries rise to the sky, and like the dry months, no replies rain down except the tears from our eyes. Tonight we see the stars, and they are our only company. And for those of us who can't see from beneath debris, hear the women, men, children scream, "Amre! Get pitié, have mercy," and we wait. We wait. We wait for our hungry stomachs to survive another day of waiting. We wait for our tongues to taste more than our spit, and our lungs to breathe the air again. Though stenched with the decay of rotting bodies, our eyes long to see the living pulled out from the rubble and walking among us again. We don't sleep. We wait for the earth to shake again and again and again and again. So many times we all rest outside under a star-studded sky. It has become our blanket. It has become our roof. It has become our truth of newfound possibility as we walk the streets of Carrefour and Leogan and Port-au-Prince confused. The palace has become a center for aid, and we wait to see what real changes this earthquake has made, will make. The Cathédrale, Palais National are gone, and we remain strong. Our schools, our hospitals, our businesses, our homes have crumbled, but we still dig through the rubble. We still dig. We are still here, and we wait for God. We wait for the world. We are still here, and we are still strong. At night, we fill the air with song. The earth cannot shake our hope. Our hope lives inside us, and we will survive this, despite all questions. Why? 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 Peter Van away. Peter Van comprendre pour qui. Peter Van away. Peter Van comprendre pour qui. Up ahead we'll see. Up ahead we'll understand why. Up ahead we'll understand why. Peter Van away. Peter Van comprendre pour qui. Peter Van away. Peter Van comprendre pour qui. Up ahead we'll see. Up ahead we'll understand why. Up ahead we'll understand why.